Are you looking for the best drones for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. BETAFPV Aquila 16 VR03 Drone. The Aquila 16 FPV kit excels in hover capability for assisted flight, ensuring safe and effortless flight for worry-free learning. Built with durable PA12 material, the Aquila 16 frame has excellent impact resistance in drop and impact and reduces the risk of damage, providing you more peace learning of mind. With a 1100 mAh battery, it offers a flight time of 8 minutes and a maximum flight distance of 200 meters. For those seeking advanced flight modes like freestyle or racing, opting for a 650 battery is recommended. This kit offers 3 fly-in speed modes, catering from novice to pro and gradually unlocking advanced skills, all in one kit. The VR03 FPV goggles feature a micro SD card slot for easy video recording and support compatibility with most analog VTXs in the market. The Literadio 2SAY transmitter supports the latest ELRS 3.0 firmware, enabling compatibility with popular FPV simulators like DRL/DCL/Veloci Drone, Liftoff. All components, including the quadcopter, radio transmitter, FPV goggles, and accessories, are conveniently packed in a portable EVA storage bag for easy transportation and enhanced equipment protection. Number 2. Fly Faith Mini 2 Drone. Under GPS mode, when the aircraft receives the signal from satellites, it will position where it is. It captures image data with the drone's bottom camera, then uses the optical flow to improve the smoothness of the control. 1080p videos and 4K photos, with real-time transmission. It is equipped with 4K camera, tuned amazingly to capture pictures and videos from the sky, also with 3-axis brushless gimbal, helping the drone record vibration-free footages. It is so quiet but very powerful when running. Breakdown rarely occurs and motor replacement is seldom required, which makes your flight more enjoyable. In altitude hold mode, the drone maintains a consistent altitude while allowing roll, pitch, and yaw to be controlled normally. Camera angle can be controlled by transmitter, APP to pitch from -90 to 0. 1 key takeoff/landing. 1 press automatically taking off or landing. The drone will take off or go back to the position where it took off, and it is very suitable for novice operation. 1 key return. 1 key return function makes it easily to find the way home. 1 key following mode. In the mode, the drone will fly following the player to capture the beautiful point of interesting flight. Choose 1 point, then tee the drone, fly in a circle around a set waypoint and make sure you will get panorama pictures and video. Number 3. GRAYCEWODY GPS Drone. FIO2 self-stabilizing mechanical gimbal is stabilization system 8K HD aerial photography drone. Easy to fly. You can also make a blockbuster quadcopter enhanced mechanical stabilization drone. 8K camera mechanically electronic image stabilized gimbal stabilization about 25 minutes about 1200 meters GPS positioning of battery life remote control distance and return 360 equals surround mode smart follow runaway smart modular battery 5 Wi-Fi fixed point flight key return real-time transmission 50x zoom gesture photo brushless motor portable folding enhanced mechanical stabilization of the gimbal can better eliminate camera shake and shake. It can also improve camera image quality. Number 4. SJRC F5S PRO Drone. GPS returns to the takeoff point with 1 button, returns home with low power, and returns home without signal. GPS intelligent following, follow the mobile phone to fly, image following, identify the subject and follow the subject for 360-degree circular flight. Gesture shooting recognition. Within 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft, make a photo gesture, camera gesture in front of the camera. Multi-point planned flight of routes. The aircraft flies autonomously according to the preset route, and the player focuses on shooting. Fixed point trap. Find the center point of the circle, and then move the desired radius of the circle through the joystick. Intelligent functions: 1 key far flying, 1 key soaring into the sky, 1 key spiral, vertical screen aerial photography, time-lapse photography, panoramic shooting, optical flow vision, stable hovering at low altitude without GPS or weak signal. Turn on the optical flow night vision assist light to ensure you hover performance in low light environments. USB digital image transmission, easy to use, long distance, stable transmission, strong anti-interference. Number 5. SG906 Max 2 Drone. The obstacle avoidance device detects whether there are obstacles ahead through the 120 degrees fan-shaped scanning in front of the laser, and the remote control will sound an alarm if the obstacle is detected within 20 meters, and the drone cannot move forward. GPS returns to the takeoff point with 1 key, low power return, no signal. After the aircraft is connected to the GPS, open the app follow function, and the aircraft will follow the mobile phone. 2 Image follow, 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft to identify the subject and automatically follow the flight. Within 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft, face the camera to make a photo gesture. Camera gesture. The aircraft will fly autonomously according to the preset route, and the player will focus on shooting. Find the center point of the surround, and then use the joystick to move the desired surround radius. Click the GPS signal icon 3 times to open the map interface. The map displays the last distance, latitude and longitude of the aircraft.